Y'all know what to do, smash the like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time there's a new video. But other than that, enjoy this video. everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It helps out with the channel massively. And comment shout out or join, free to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's AKAZA from Demon Slayer. Hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. Hope from making strong, especially with how the outcome came out. I love how vibrant the colors came out, so hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. Also, if you want to see more Demon Slayer drawings, make sure to smash the like button to let me know. I'm going to be leaving some drawing playlists in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure for some anime characters that I've drawn for that you may really like, so I'm sure check it out. It's going to be in the description. And I also have a Demon Slayer drawing playlist there, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.